Hi Titans, this is Mr. Granlund here, and I'm going to go through how to submit an assignment on Schoology if you're using like a Chromebook or a laptop or some sort of computer. Here we're in our class, we have our kind of recent activity. There might be updates and quizzes that you might have right on the front page. Remember that any work that you have is going to be on the right side. So this one says overdue work, and it has a list of assignments here. It has upcoming work and a list of assignments and quizzes over here as well. If you ever want to see all of your assignments, click on the calendar button. And there we go. We have all of the assignments there. You can also click on this mail icon and see other things that people are posting that you need to kind of be aware of. So let's head into one of our courses. And we're going to submit an assignment. So we're going to go down to one of our folders, and this is something that you'll see teachers trying to do is they're going to label their courses with the dates that you're going to be on those units. So we're going to go in there, we're going to find an assignment, and in here you're going to maybe have some directions about how to submit the assignment, and then you're going to click on Submit Assignment. Now inside of here, if you did your project inside of Google, on Google Drive with a Google Doc or something, you're not going to click Upload. You're going to go to Resources, and you're going to go to Apps, and you're going to do Google Drive Resource. Now if you haven't linked your Google Drive resources, it's going to ask you to sign into Google and say that it's okay for Schoology to connect with your Google Drive resources. You can look at these by clicking on the words. It'll give you a preview of what it looks like. And if that's the one, you can click on the checkbox and click Import. And then you'll see that it's updated there. Now if you ever want to submit another assignment, you can click on Resubmit there. I'm going to look for another example that allows you to type right inside of Schoology to do your assignment. Now in this example, here we have an assignment here. You can tell by the icon. And when I click into the assignment, it takes me to Reading Guide Student Notes, and it has an assignment. And then it has this button called My Document. And this is a linked Google document that the teacher has provided that allows you to type in your answer. So in this case, it's some notes, and I will type my answers. And then when I'm ready to submit the assignment, I'll click Submit Assignment. All right, Titans, I hope this helps you understand how to submit assignments. And I wish you a great Titan day.